I swear. You're biting my face off.
Oh my goodness.
I mean, really.
Okay, leave some for the Fosters, please.
I'm not gonna get to live with him. Oh. I think the baby has to work, right? I mean, there's something with his face. Like, he's got such a soulful little face.
That does it.
Hey, Cookie.
He's got such interesting hair.
Come
That's
on,
like
Leroy.
a terrier.
Come on,
Stuff
baby.
like Can Terrier or something.
But you can tell border collie terrier.
Yeah, definitely.
Hi, handsome. Hi. Hello. It's so nice to meet you. You hate this voice, don't you? I would too. I will stick my face in your face. I wouldn't like that either.
Ooh, you want your bone? I have a cookie for you. You were a good boy before you sat.
Oh, no.
Leroy, want a cookie? You